Medley is a tool to help you with reading and answering questions online. Let's see how it works. You will know that Medley is active on a page if you see this blue icon. If you need help with reading a text, you can click on the icon to open Medley and then click on Amplify Page. This will make the text easier to read by adding headers, bolding and translating key words, and sometimes adding pictures. You might see the help in your home language or in English, depending on the reading level your teacher entered for you. You might see summarize or shorten up here, also depending on your level. This can show you a shorter version with the key info from the text. You can read the text aloud by clicking on the headphones. Back in the main menu, you might see Translate Page, depending on your level. You can also get help from Medley by selecting words on a website. I can double click to select this word and then click on the book icon to open a dictionary card to see and hear info about this word. You can select a section of a long reading and click Amplify to see help with just that part. You can translate just a paragraph or just a sentence depending on your reading level by highlighting some part of the text and clicking on the Translate button. Once the translation is loaded, you can also read that translation out loud. You can read the text in English by selecting a place to start and clicking on the headphones icon. Medley can also help you when you're answering questions in class. If you highlight a question or just a part of a question and then click on the pencil icon, then depending on your level, you'll see sentence frames with a word bank, or you might just see sentence stems to help you write your answer in a complete sentence. Medley is there to help you while you read and write in school, but it's up to you to click on it to get the help you need to succeed. So give it a try.